Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another look for you. I'm using, of course, the new Mac Selena palette. I love this palette so much. I think it's a great, it's just a great palette. I think everybody can use it. It's easy to use. You can do natural every day, and then you can, switch it up with some glitters like I did today. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and enjoy. First shadow I'm picking up today is called It's a Texas Thing, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. I started off using a brush, but using your finger actually gives the shadow more payoff. Shade I'm going to be picking up is called Los Dinos. I'm going to use that to blend out the previous shade we laid down and just apply that in my crease. I'm also going to apply that shade underneath my eye. The next shade I'm going to be picking up is called Como Te Extraño, and I'm going to just use that to blend out the Los Dinos shade we applied in our crease. The next shade I'm picking up is called Me Siento Muy Excited, and I'm going to apply that with my finger directly onto the lid just to give the shadow some dimension and some sparkle. So now onto the face, I'm picking up the Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer and just applying that to my whole face. I really like this primer. I think it is hydrating. It feels really nice on the skin, and it is one of Benefit's newest primers. So if you like the original Professional, I think you would like this one as well. For foundation today, I'm picking up two of my favorites. It is the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Foundation and the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I like to mix those two together. This is going to create a very matte look. So if you are more on the dewy side, I would suggest mixing together a couple different dewy foundations, or one matte and one dewy. I tend to get a little oily, so I like to mix two matte foundations together. For cream contour today, I am picking up the Fenty Beauty Truffle Matchsticks. I absolutely love these matchsticks. I think they are amazing. They're so versatile. You could pop it in your crease. You could use it as a contour. Just so many different things to do with them. I think the formulation's great. They're really easy to work with. They blend out beautifully, so I definitely recommend this product. For concealer today, I'm picking up the Il Makiage Fuck I'm Flawless Concealer. I'm going to apply that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead, and blend that out. I love this concealer. I think it goes, a little bit goes a really long way, and it just blends out beautifully. And once that concealer is all blended out, I really like to take my foundation brush with no product on it and just kind of press everything into the skin. This really helps to blend everything together for a flawless look. For mascara today, I am picking up the Il Makiage Icon Mascara in brown. I think brown is just a softer alternative to mascara than black, and it really makes like blue eyes, green eyes really stand out. For powder today, I'm picking up the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm just going to press that into my skin using a fluffy brush. I like to press this powder into my skin versus like rubbing it in, because it doesn't disrupt that foundation and contour we did underneath. The bronzer I'm picking up today is, of course, Bahama Mama by The Balm, and I'm just going to apply that in the same spots we applied the cream contour. For blush today, I'm picking up the Kylie Cosmetics Cheers Blush. Just applying this to my cheekbones. It is a beautiful, just like light baby pink. To make everything nice and crispy, I am going to apply some translucent powder underneath my cheekbones just to kind of clean that up. I'm also going to pick up Benefit Gold Rush blush and apply that to my cheeks as well. For eyelashes today, I am of course using my Ardell 113s. These eyelashes are so pretty. They're natural, but they're like not natural enough to give you more of like an oomph. And I'm also picking up my Duo glue to apply this with. For highlighter today, of course, I'm picking up La Leyenda from the Selena collection. It is so beautiful. Like, look at that glow. I had already applied a lipstick, but I decided to switch it up, so that's why I have lipstick in this part of the video. For lips today, I am picking up the Kylie Cosmetics Iced Latte Lip Liner. Dude, her lip liners are awesome. I totally recommend. The nudes are beautiful. So yeah, pick one of those up for sure. To blend that lip liner out, I'm just going to pick up a disposable lip wand and diffuse that harsh line. The gloss I'm applying today is, of course, the Washing Machine from the Selena collection. This color is so beautiful. It's just like a clear gloss, but it also has some sparkles in it. So that is it. That is the full tutorial on this look. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think this look came out absolutely beautiful. I love the colors in this palette. They are just so soft and pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you.